Travel advisory for Indian nationals with regards to flying. The Ministry of External Affairs issues a statement sternly warning anyone moving towards European countries, particularly Iran at this point, saying we are closely monitoring the recent escalation in security situation within this region. Indian nationals are advised to avoid all non-essential travel to Iran. Those currently residing in Iran are requested to remain vigilant and stay in contact with the Indian embassy in Tehran. Of course, the Indian government at this point issuing this warning here, saying they're closely monitoring this recent escalation and asking for Indians wanting to travel to Iran, if it's not essential or an emergency, then highly avoidable. Those currently residing in Iran requested to remain vigilant and stay in contact with the Indian embassy in Tehran. A direction going out to Indian nationals. Ashutosh still with me on that. Ashutosh, we know the entire European region at this point is slightly tense, and we're looking at the Indian government particularly saying those wanting to travel to Iran, if it's not an emergency, it's highly avoidable at this point, asking for Indians staying in Iran to contact the Indian embassy in Tehran if needed. Give us more on this warning that the Indian government has now sent out. What do they anticipate? We have Milind on that. All right, Milind, please go on. What does the Indian government anticipate that they've issued this warning?
Nabila, this is a travel advisory that has been issued for the Indian nationals who travel to Iran by the Ministry of External Affairs. Now, looking closely at the situation that is unfolding between Israel and Iran at the moment, the statement says that they are monitoring the recent escalation in security situation in the region. And of course, all Indian nationals are being told to avoid unnecessary travel to Iran at this moment because if the travel is non-essential, it's supposed to be avoided. Remember that those Indians who are currently residing in Iran are requested to remain alert and vigilant, and they have been asked to stay in contact with the Indian embassy in Tehran. Of course, all this is being done with the recent escalation in tensions between Iran and Israel, and all the Indian nationals who are traveling to and fro from Iran, as well as Indian nationals staying in Iran at the moment, have been told by the Ministry of External Affairs in India to remain very, very vigilant in these times of crisis at the moment. Nabila, that is the latest that we are getting from the Indian Ministry of External Affairs there for Indian nationals to stay safe.
Milind, we know that Indian airlines have already, especially Air India, has already avoided taking over Iranian airspace, and this has been on since April, we understand. What has this done to air travel? We understand any European countries to travel to now, air travel time has increased roughly by about an hour. Even for that matter to the United Kingdom, air travel has increased by an hour. Air prices has skyrocketed because of this conflict in this region.
Yes, definitely, Labida, you're right, because that is going to be the natural progression from here on, because we are looking at airspaces that are being avoided by many airlines. The Indian Airlines, Air India, has also issued a statement that is saying that they are potentially daily monitoring the security situation, and they are aware of the safety risks, whether it's in the Middle East or any other part of the route network that Air India is taking, and that's why many adjustments are being made if required to avoid the risk with minimum impact on their non-stop operations, is what Air India is saying officially in this matter right now. And so is true with many other airlines that are flying in and out of India at the moment, and other countries as well, avoiding that Iran airspace at the moment. And certainly we'll have to wait and see what kind of measures are going to be taken by airlines as prices continue to skyrocket, and the ticket prices are definitely going to have a major impact. The travel industry is going to be majorly hit with this, escalation that has taken place between Iran and Israel. So definitely travelers, international travelers, will need to be vigilant about the constantly changing scenario when it comes to air travel in these countries at the moment. Nabila?
Thanks very much, Milind, for joining us. Well, that's a statement given by the Indian government. If you're traveling to Iran, if it's not an emergency, please avoid.